So the fear that eAudiology replaces traditional face-to-face meetings, it's really an interesting thing. I think once you begin to do that, that fear will disappear very quickly. For our practice, we don't see initial patients using eAudiology. Right now, we have that the first meeting is a face-to-face consult, and we do meet the patient. So if we do a hearing aid fitting, the hearing aid fitting is done face-to-face in the office. The follow-ups can then be done using eAudiology if necessary. I do find that I know that for me personally, since I really take a counseling approach in most of the way I practice, I thought I was going to have a problem relating to patients using eAudiology. But I find that that really isn't the case. And I realized that I've really been doing this for a long time, even just with the telephone. How many times have you called up a patient, or a patient has called you up and said, I have this problem, and you stood on the phone troubleshooting a broken hearing aid or a hearing aid that's malfunctioning, and the patient didn't have to come in. Well, that's the same as eAudiology, and the patient was grateful that you were able to help them, and you saved them from making the trip into the office. So that now, if we can do it with a camera, we can actually demonstrate how to change the wax guard or whatever it is that we're doing on the hearing aid. And when you have that face-to-face communication, you can actually transmit the empathy that they should be able to feel when they're in your office face-to-face. So I really haven't found that I lose anything in the relationship when we offer distance services. Actually, it's to the contrary. I think we improve the relationship. And the reason we improve the relationship is because we're being patient-centered. We're providing a service that the patients want.